Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Microsoft Teams on your laptop. Once done, focus on credentials and connectivity. Make sure your OS updates are finished and the Teams app is installed. This prevents unexpected prompts. If you only have the web option, open Teams, Microsoft, com in a modern browser. Keep your Microsoft email and password at hand and verify Wi-Fi strength so the sign-in flow doesn't time out. Once you've confirmed those essentials, click Sign In to begin the secure authentication process. Now you enter your credentials. Type your full Microsoft email and press Next, because partial names can route to the wrong tenant. Enter the password carefully and use the show option if characters look suspicious. This reduces lockouts. If your account uses multi-factor authentication, expect an app notification, SMS code, or phone challenge. Approve or enter that code promptly. Make sure you choose the correct authentication method, and once verified, the Teams client will proceed to load your profile and organization data. Complete the final prompts. Decide whether to stay signed in and allow camera, microphone, and notification permissions so meetings work smoothly. Once accepted, Teams syncs your chats and calendars. Make sure your status and profile picture reflect your preferences. If the app doesn't fully load, try signing out and back in, clear the Teams cache, or verify your laptop's date and time settings because token validation depends on correct system time. If problems persist, reset your password or contact IT for tenant-specific issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.